I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Hey, good morning. This is my March 22nd watch list. Today, AIRI. I'm really starting to like this setup. If you believe in falling wedges or those kind of patterns or flagging, you can kind of see it here. ALNA. I'm really liking this. 166, high as 278 is their value here. We'll find out. AMBO. 2.6 has been as high as 5.68. MACD is coming up. This could be a good spot for reversal. ARLO, at 8.08, it's been as high as 10.49 recently, so we shall see. ASTC, currently trading at 218 pre-market. It's been as high as 414. BCLI, one of my favorites, been accumulating here. Probably a good day to add. BNKD, continuation back through, has been as high as 4 recently. Seen some volume come in. MACD is turning up, so we'll see what happens. CBAT, this is probably number 1 on my watch list. As high as 9.59, currently trading at just under 6. ECOR, recently high as 3.63, trading at 2.25. ELSE, this is kind of bowing down, so I'm going to probably watch this a couple days. EZGO, it's been as high as $19. It's trading at $6.75 right now. There's a lot of things I like with this. GTII, you guys can see the drawings here from my other video. Looking to add today. GRIL, we got a nice hammer. MACD is coming up. It's been high as recently as 266. It's at 241 now. It's been high as 37. KRKR, we can see it's been as high as 8.5. Right now it's 395. The MACD is turning up. Peaked recently at 6.15. You can see there's clear resistance here, right? So, down here, you're going to get some fight there. Will it get back up to 8.5? We'll see. LLIT, this is looking like a short squeeze. If you want my opinion, if you were asking it. MACD's turning up, it's bowing up, and there's no volume. SNDE, high is 3.7, big gap down. Nice hammer. We can start to get some upward movement. SRTS, we got pretty much, we're inside this block here, right? So if we get in early and it transitions through, 475, 5, 609 is where it would go. TMXN, somebody's doing something in here. This is a penny stock or sub penny stock, right? 0.0051. If you saw the Eat the Float video, you know what to look for. So we'll see. And ZYNE, we caught it perfectly the other day. So will this transition back up through 7? That's the idea. All right, that's the watch list for today.